Alright, here we are back with some physics.
And beer pong.
And beer pong, apparently. See, we got our cup here. We got our shooter. We made it. Now, what we see here is that the cup can be considered a potential well, almost, of certain height each, which gives our beer pong.
Wait a second, Will. Shouldn't this be labeled B for beer?
Yes, the level of substance, that's what we'll call it, can be considered the height, as in, and this can be considered sort of a potential energy box thing. It's a box, that's what it is. And we can basically, we have this ball in there, bouncing around, yeah? So it's going to have some, so really, this drawing doesn't really explain the math behind it. What we really have here is a line potential of mg, that is a horrible M, mg substance, yeah?
Yeah.
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 So what we're going to want to do is we have certain energy levels, which can be considered the energy of the beer, or the pong ball. And we can have certain wave functions associated with each of those energy levels.
AKA how much bounciness the ball has inside of the cup.
Right. Exactly. What we do know is that E minus V, the total energy minus the potential energy, is your kinetic energy. We know that from 270, obviously.
Obviously.
So we can now determine the potential, the kinetic energy of the ball in the cup as it's bouncing around. And we find that when drawing these wave functions that it'll be much narrower here and more wiggly. We like that word, wiggly. Then out towards the edge where it becomes a larger amplitude because our ball is slowing down. Which means that in a quantum beer pong, the cup and the ball in the cup will be found to be more often up near the top of the cup where it has less kinetic energy. Which means what?
It is less wiggly up there.
Yes, it is less wiggly. But this means that in playing a game of quantum BP, you can easily scoop out the ball, giving you a better chance of winning. Or it'll just be a really boring game of you just flicking the ball out, and then it's going to get kind of boring. So we recommend not playing quantum BP.